This video is going to show you how to upload a prospect list into your SportsBoard account. As you'll see here, I have a list of prospects that I'm currently tracking and want to upload into the system. I want to show you the most important columns that you need to have, the specific headings, and each field that needs to be filled out in order for you to upload it properly into the system. As you'll see here, I have each athlete's first and last name, their grad year, their club, their jersey number, and a couple empty columns which either have pool or email that can be added to each player. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create what we call a team or a group in order to upload all these prospects in and to be able to search and find them accordingly. So I'm going to create what we call a team column. And I'm going to name that 2017 Prospect List DOM. And for each one of these players, I'm going to assign them to this team. So I'm going to fill the same team name all the way down the column. And now each specific player is tagged to this specific team. Now I also want to add a specific pool to each player that's important to my organization or scouting organization. So here I have a pool called DOM set up in the database. So I'm going to assign and tag each player with the pool DOM here. So in order for each player to actually go into the system properly, they need a team, they need a first name, they need a last name, and they'll need a pool as well. The reason why I have a grad year column is because we need a third defining characteristic for the player in order to link them to their tournament team that's in the database. So here you'll see that I have a grad year for each player. And another way that we can link players is jersey number or even potentially email. So you can have as many columns as you want. Maybe you want to add a cell phone or you want to add a player's Facebook profile to the upload. So here you're able to create your own unique column headings. And what I want to do after I've created and filled it out is I want to save this as a CSV file. So I come up here to save as, and down here the format needs to be comma separated values or .csv. I hit save, I hit continue, and now my prospect list is ready to be uploaded. So once it's ready to be uploaded, I come over here to my account and I come up to the tools and CSV upload. I hit the CSV upload button here, and now I select the type of what I want to upload, which is rosters here. Now I choose that file that I just saved, and then I select the team type here, which would be club. After that's done, I want to make sure that I hit Run Autolink tool after import in order to link these players that I have currently in this Excel to all the players that are in the database. I hit submit, and now it will bring me to the select matching attribute names. Now this is basically pulling my column headings here and matching them up to how they will go into the database. If you see anything that's red, that means that your column heading is not actually matching something in the system. So you have to just hit this down arrow and then select the appropriate column heading that you want it to go in as. So once that's done, You just hit save, and now the upload process starts here. So this is a progress bar. If any errors come back, it will shoot you an error message with the actual row and cell that needs to be fixed. And then here, this screen is showing that it's processing matches within the database. So it's processing basically matches for these players that I had in my Excel file and matching them to the players that are in the database. So once my auto link is completed, I can see that 77 new links were made for each of the players that I uploaded. And now I can go back to the athletes page and actually find those appropriate players. So here I have the team. If I want to search for a team, you just look for the team name that you just created, and I hit apply. And now I see all those players that I just uploaded tagged with the pool DOM.